Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be tackling my daughter's hot mess of a bedroom. We let it get way out of hand. We had a lot going on and we're like in and out of town and working and just things kept piling up. But it's looking much better now and I'm feeling much better. I'm a hot mess right now because in the middle of the day I took a little break to go to the pool and then I remembered that I forgot to film an intro. So if you want to see how I organized her room and her closet and everything, just keep watching. I'm just going to start taking everything out of the closet and putting it on the bed so I can just sort through everything and have it all fresh and clean before I put anything back in. So right now I have pretty much the whole closet cleaned out. I'm just going to be putting this in her keepsake box because this is from a wedding that she was in. And I just left a few of the things up there that I know are not going to be going anywhere for now. And then there's just this box and pouch that I don't know what I'm going to be doing with quite yet. And then her safe down there. So now we'll just work on going through the clothes and putting them back in. I decided to make this like a keepsake bin just to throw things in quickly, and then I can, once it gets full, I can take everything out and store it in her actual keepsake box that we store downstairs. And this beautiful dress is from her flower girl dress when she was in my friend Lauren's wedding in Mexico.
There's my beard.
So pretty. This will go in her keepsake bin. As you can see, we got rid of that big mound of clothes over in the corner. I'm still waiting for the sheets to dry, but this is our Goodwill bin, so I have to box all that up and give them a call to come pick it up. And this is the closet. So I have all her shoes organized down here, and then we have her hooks here with just like her hats and earmuffs and scarves, her horseback riding helmet, and her little backpack. And then this is like crafts up here that I need to go through later. I stuck this bin up here to put keepsake things in, so things that we want to hang on to. This bin is winter stuff. I'm probably going to put it in a bigger bin once I finish unpacking all of the winter stuff. And then then I can just bring it down once it gets colder. And then over here, I didn't have enough room to hang all of her exercise, like workout leggings, so I just folded them here. And then these are sweatpants. These are random socks that I couldn't find a match to. Then I have these extra clear bins here. This is all her swimming stuff, her swim caps and goggles and swimsuits. And over here are her gymnastics leotards. I'm gonna get some matching bins for the bathing suits and leotards like these. I got these at Home Goods. So I just have her underwear, socks, and tights. And then these ones are like ankle socks. And then these are undershirts and bras. And then I folded all of her swim team spirit wear here. Just big t-shirts like sleep shirts. Then winter PJs, summer PJs. And then down here I put all of her workout stuff. So this is all like short sleeve workout stuff on this side and then long sleeve workout stuff on this side. And then back here are all of her tennis outfits that all go together. Then on the bottom I have her shorts. Oh, these are the workout shorts. These are just regular shorts. Then skirts and pants and jeans here. They're all organized by color, as well as her shirts. Up top here are all of her tops. These are sleeveless and short sleeve, all organized by color. And then we get into the long sleeve here, and these are all organized by color as well. And then I have her horseback riding stuff in behind all of her long sleeve shirts. These are like her horseback riding sweatshirts and riding pants. And then these are all of her dresses. And then I have rompers and jumpsuits in here. And then this is like a longer coat. And yeah, so that's the closet so far. I'm gonna vacuum out here. And once the sheets are dry, I'm gonna make the bed and try to get all this tidied up. How you doing, Brad? You ready for a nap? So I am officially done for now. It's looking so much better than it did this morning. I got her little nightstand organized. So what I did was I put one of these little clips on the side here. It just has like some 3M sticky tape on the back. You can get a whole pack of them, and they come in all different sizes to hold 1 cord, 2 cords, 3 cords, 4 cords. I put the one for 2 cords here, so that way when she needs her charger, she can just grab it and charge her phone on her nightstand. And then when she's done charging, she just puts it right back in here and it doesn't fall back behind the nightstand.